Today's the day after Christmas 2022 here. We're at Pinelawn on the Long Island Railroad here. Main line. We're here to see a bunch of trains, but more notably train 2019, which is coming from Ronkonkoma to Brooklyn with an M3 set, 9789 the leader with 10 and 9886 on the rear. As the M3s are making their way back. Generally, as of late, there's only been one M3 set in service per each weekday. Generally have been running the weekdays. We had a rare weekend run with the M3s. And train left Ronkonkoma at 6:56. Trains going to Brooklyn from Ronkonkoma. Alright, time now is 7:17. Looking to the east as train 2019 makes its way. It's about to pass Danch interlocking. Again with that M3 set just left line Danch moments ago. And it's about to pass the Little East Neck Road crossing. Again, M3 9789, the leader, with 10. AC 508 leading, 510 on the rear with 6. Train 2703 from Montauk to Jamaica. Alright, time now is 8:33. Train 615 on the Port Jefferson branch about to come through here at Syosset. Equipment being used is DM30AC 514 leading, 518 on the rear with 8. This train will be making a stop here at Syosset. And and 615 passing the Syosset Westbury Road crossing. Next stop will be Hicksville, followed by Pinelawn, Jamaica, and Penn Station. Alright, time now is 10 at 19. We'll be watching train 619 about to pass. 619 running between Port Jefferson and Penn Station. We have 5023 leading 408 on the rear with 4. Down the tracks, we have headlights, supposedly RS40. Those RS40s running between Fresh Pond and Coastal over in Farmingdale today. Okay, moving also slowly at 10:23 a.m. is RS40, as he's just passing Car Place to the west of us now. Just in case I forgot to mention, this is Westbury here on the main line. And he's passing underneath the Ellison Avenue underpass. We have an MP 15AC on the lead here.